Dirty condenser coils can totally wreck your air conditioning's efficiency and make your energy bills skyrocket, so keeping them clean is a game changer. Alright, your air conditioner has these condenser coils outside, and they grab the heat from inside your house and push it out. When those coils get all gunked up with dirt and debris, the whole system has to work way harder to keep you cool, which is a major waste of energy. To keep things running smooth, grab some coil cleaner from your local hardware store, or just use a gentle water spray to rinse off dirt. Make sure to turn off the power before you start messing around with the unit, because safety first, you know? Take off the outer cover if you can, so you get better access to those coils. Don't use a pressure washer or anything super strong, because you might damage the fins on the coils. A soft brush can also help to clear away stubborn grime without hurting anything. Try to clean those coils at least once a year, especially before summer hits, so your AC doesn't freak out when it gets hot outside. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser coil cleaning is using high-pressure water, which can bend or break the delicate fins and cause costly repairs down the line. The fix is to always use low pressure or coil cleaner specifically made for this job, plus a soft brush for gentle scrubbing. Another common issue is not turning off the power before cleaning, which is super dangerous and can fry your system or worse. Always flip the breaker or unplug the unit before you start. Lastly, people often skip regular maintenance and wait until their AC is blowing warm air or making weird noises. Don't wait for that. Schedule coil cleaning and general checks yearly to avoid unexpected breakdowns and save money. BigHomeProjects.com is like the hookup for homeowners who need reliable local contractors without all the stress of searching around. Contractors can also score more jobs by connecting with folks who actually want their services, making it a total win-win.